today the Gyan is asking, how does the organisms grow in size and our wound gets repaired? Means how we are becoming bigger and bigger after taking birth, or how the different organisms are getting bigger and bigger, and how if we are hurted that wound is re-healed. It's a very good question asked by the Gyan. Now, as we know that we are multicellular organisms, and we grow in size by the process which is known as cell division. Cell division here means the when a single cell divides into two or more. Okay. Now in this worksheet we will talk of this cell division process, and the process by which cell divisions two or more new cells are called cell division. Okay. So in this process, here the mother cell, okay, a mother cell, any cell you can say, is the result. After division it can produce the new cells, new daughter cells. So, therefore all the multicellular can grow in size, develop and replace dead cell by cell division process. Even in the wounded tissue gets repaired, and gametes are produced by the process called cell division of two types. So mainly we will talk of the cell division which we are talking of two types, that is mitosis and meiosis. Let's see what are these. So mitosis cell division is known as equational division. Remember this word, mitosis cell division is known as equational division, because in this, when the parent cell is dividing, and the number of chromosome in the parent cell will have the same number of chromosome in the daughter cell also. That's why it is called the equational division. But in the meiosis it is known as reductional division. When the parent cell is dividing, it will produce the gametes which will be half the number of the parent chromosomes. So that's why it is called the reductional division. Okay, first see the process of mother cell divided into two identical daughter cell, and the number of chromosomes in daughter and mother cell remain unchanged. This type of cell division takes place in most of cells and is responsible for growth and repair. So remember the cells except your sex cells or germ cells, all the somatic cells will have the process of mitosis. Okay, and meiosis cell division is the division in which the parent cell is dividing and giving the daughter cells which are half the number of chromosomes. Actually meiosis takes place in two parts, meiosis in 1 and 2. You will read it in the 11th class. So the number of chromosomes produced will be half the number of chromosomes of the mother or the parent cell. See in this figure also it has been shown. You can see from the figure, these are the chromosomes. They are first duplicating themselves. Okay, these were the single one, then they have duplicated 4 strands you can say, then they arrange themselves. These are the different stages you will study in the higher classes, and they divide and produce. So these are exactly similar to these ones. Okay, now in meiosis you can say, firstly what is happening, first process, here you can see 4 chromosomes are there, meiosis 1. That means in the meiosis 1 the number of chromosomes produced will be like the mitosis. Then the meiosis 1 will undergo the reduction division and you will get half the number of chromosomes. So here it was 46, here also 46, you can say. I am taking the example of human beings, and then 23 and 23. So this is reductional division. So this is how the cell divides, and this is occurring in the somatic cells, all your body cells except the germ cells, and this will occur in your germ cells or reproductive cell you can say, where the reduction of division is occurring. So now check the question answers. What is the importance of cell division in organisms? So we can check these answers from this sheet easily. So the process by which cell divide into 2 or more cells is called cell division, and the cell division will grow in shape and size. And here the main function of the cell division in organism is for the repair of wounds. Okay, wounds and tissues get repaired, and growth in size, replace dead cells, and all these are the functions you can say importance of cell division in case of organisms. help in the repairment of tissues, help in the healing of wounds, production of new cells. All these are. Where does meiosis cell division takes place in organism? What is formed from the total cells in it? So meiosis cell division is taking place, as I told you, that meiosis cell division is taking place in your reproductive organ or tissues, okay, and the gametes produced in this are having the half the number of chromosomes. So the total cell produced will have the half number of components. So these are the 2 points you write. A human cell has 46 chromosomes. What will be the number of chromosome in a daughter cell if it is undergo the meiosis cell division? If it is having 46, then the daughter cell will have 23. In the last slide I have explained, if you see it. And the last question is, what is cell division? The process by which cell divide into 2 or more new cells is called cell division. So these are the answers of this. So it's a very interesting worksheet, because this cell division process is not in your course, but we gets confused how the cell divide. So you must study it. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe this channel.